Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I have a recipe for noodles and these are one of my favorite noodles. I've eaten these noodles in a place called chopsticks and I was just fall in love with that. So I tried to recreate the recipe and alhamdulillah I did. So I thought I would share the recipe with you all as well, whoever is craving for chopstick noodles. So yeah, for this I'm using some egg noodles. If you want, you can use other noodles as well, but I would prefer to use egg noodles because the other ones will not taste the same. So first what we need to do, we need to have boiled noodles, and now I have a pan. In a pan I have added some oil and the oil is nice and hot, and now in this oil I'm adding some mixed vegetables. I'm using frozen ones. If you want, you can use fresh vegetables as well, but there they also use frozen ones. So now mix them well, and now I'm adding some salt in these mixed veg, and with that I'm adding some black pepper, and now I'm adding some beef cubes. If you want, you can add chicken cubes, but I'm adding 3 beef cubes. And now we're going to mix them well, just add everything. And now I'm adding some soy sauce. So I'm adding dark soy sauce, but if you want, you can add any soy sauce that you have. And now I'm adding some salt and pepper chicken. So I have the recipe for this, so you can check that out. It's going to be linked down below. And now we are adding the noodles. So these noodles I was making like a big batch, so I needed some help from my strong husband. So he was doing all these tossing and everything because I couldn't, it was too much noodles. So right now he's helping me out and he's tossing all the noodles that I have made. I think it was for the whole street or something, but I've cooked so much noodles, but it was very tasty. So now here we are, the noodles are ready, and I'm also having some baked potatoes with it. So I'm going to link down below the recipe for baked potato as well. So if you want, you can check that out. So here, this is how I like it. Normally if you go there, they serve it with, like, they have a lot of options there if you want, like different things like honey chicken and different things. I don't remember every name, but this is the thing I like. I just like with salt and pepper chicken and baked potatoes, and that's all I want. So I hope you like the recipe. It's very easy, it's very simple, so I hope you like it, and you please do try it. It's very easy. And if you have any question, you can just leave them down below. And I hope you like everything. So thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.